I'm excited because today my MyIntent bracelet came in the mail. Okay, so now I've got my bracelet on and I'm really liking it. I chose to have a blue bracelet part and then the silver actual metal ring, and I really like it. The cool thing also, it said, it eventually will either break or wear off. Or maybe you just get to a point where you want to, you don't want it anymore and you might want to choose a new word. And I really like that idea, is that, right now, this is my word, something that is meaningful to me and something that I feel, proud of or confident in, whatever it might be. But eventually it might be something either I outgrow or I want to change, or something else comes into my life. And then you can definitely go back and order another one. And the cool thing about this company too is that you can actually buy the set. So you can actually purchase the materials and the press, and like you'll get a hammer and then the little stamps, and you can make your own. And so, this is something that you could make and provide to your family and actually take part in the making of these. And I really like that process. That's really cool. It's something, when I was younger, I remember when I see these, it makes me think of all the friendship bracelets that you made when you were young, and you'd spend all that time taking, sitting there braiding them. You'd pin them to your pants and braid. I don't know if anybody else did those, but I remember spending lots of hours making those friendship bracelets. So this is kind of a newer age way of making bracelets for other people as well. So what is your word? I think that's the thing you've got to think about and to kind of take in. I know it took me a while to kind of determine what my word would be, and I really was kind of happy when I settled on the word journey. It definitely means something to our family. It means something to me in particular. But right now, it's something that is exciting. We have, as a family, we're going down new journeys, new paths, each of us individually, but as a family unit, we're kind of going through life in an exciting way. And journey really makes me feel positive, focused, excited about what may come. So the myintent.org, this whole what's your word, and kind of establishing a word that you want to put on your bracelet or a necklace is really something that can be very meaningful. It can be something that, this word can be anything. It can be something that challenges you, something you're excited about, something you're passionate about, something you've overcome. It can be anything really, and you've just got to kind of think about it, meditate about it, pray about it, whatever it might be. Think about it and determine what word you would like to put on a bracelet like this. And then once you get it, you wear it, and you wear it proud, and you hope to do it exactly what it says, is be a catalyst to start conversation, kind of give off that positive vibe. So it's exciting to see where this could go. So these come in bracelets and necklaces, and my bracelet was $25. The costs vary based on what you end up getting. So for me, that wasn't too hefty of a price to get something that really is kind of cool and unique. And I'm curious to see, the conversations that it can start and kind of go from there. Okay, and I chose, for my token in the middle that has my word, I chose the brass-plated silver token. And then I chose the blue colored bracelet with the twist pattern. And then the cool thing with this, obviously you do need help getting it on, but once you get it on, you just pull both sides of the bracelet to kind of adjust it to the fit you want. And then you can tie it off, and you could probably even cut it if you wanted it so you didn't have extra. I'm just going to wait and see how tight, if this is tight enough or not, so I'll give it a day or two. But the cool thing is that this is something that can obviously go in the shower. You can keep it on. I am curious on how it will wear. and if it will leave any marks on your skin, things like that. So far, the comments I've read, there's been no issues. But I have sensitive skin, so I'm always curious how different pieces of jewelry will react on my skin. So I'll definitely watch and see how it goes. But overall, I'm very happy, and I feel kind of excited to wear this out, have people ask questions, me be able to talk about our channel and the journeys that we're kind of going through, and what we're excited about as a family, and each of us individually as well, the different journeys we're each following right now in life. So this is something I'm very, very excited about. Well, thanks for watching. Make sure to check out our channel, Jackie's Journeys, and learn a little bit more about the journeys that we've been going on and the ones that we're hoping to, make here in the future. So again, this was myintent.org. And, check it out. Look in my comments below for more information about My Intent. And, if you're interested in getting, one of these cool bracelets, or they come in necklaces as well, make sure to take a look. And then, as always, hit the subscribe button and comment down below any thoughts you have if you've gotten a bracelet or a necklace already, and what kind of catalyst this was for you, and who you've talked to about it. I'm really curious to see if anybody else has them.